I woke up late this morning. I woke up late this morning. I missed my alarm clock. I missed my alarm clock. I burned my toast. I burned my toast. I spilled coffee on my shirt. I spilled coffee on my shirt. I forgot my keys at home. No, the door won't open! I can't get in. Don't leave me out here. I forgot my keys at home. I couldn't find my phone. I couldn't find my phone. I got stuck in traffic. I got stuck in traffic. My car wouldn't start. My car wouldn't start. I fell off the bed. I fell off the bed. I broke my hairbrush. I broke my hairbrush. I tore my shirt. I tore my shirt. I lost one sock. I lost one sock. I missed my train. I missed my train. I left my umbrella at home. I left my umbrella at home. I was late for class. I was late for class. I dropped my notebook. I dropped my notebook. I had a nosebleed. I had a nosebleed. I had a nosebleed. I bit my tongue. I bit my tongue. I overcooked the rice. I overcooked the rice. The milk was sour. Ew! The milk was sour. I forgot to water the plants. I forgot to water the plants. My bicycle had a flat tire. My bicycle had a flat tire. The toilet was clogged. The toilet was clogged. I stained my favorite pants. I stained my favorite pants. I couldn't sleep last night. I couldn't sleep last night. I had a nightmare. I had a nightmare. I was very thirsty at night. I was very thirsty at night. I stepped on something sharp. I stepped on something sharp. I forgot to charge my phone. I forgot to charge my phone. My glasses broke. My glasses broke. I got a bad haircut.
Oh dear, I'm so sorry.
I got a bad haircut. The soup was too salty. The soup was too salty. I slipped on the wet floor. I slipped on the wet floor. I had an argument with my neighbor. I had an argument with my neighbor. I forgot to bring money. I forgot to bring money. I lost my ticket.
Final boarding call for the express train to Chicago departing from platform 7.
I lost my ticket. I broke my pencil. I broke my pencil. I tripped over my bag. I tripped over my bag. I left the lights on. I left the lights on. I forgot to close the window. I forgot to close the window. I dropped my spoon. I dropped my spoon. I couldn't find my glasses. Where are they? I couldn't find my glasses. I couldn't find my glasses. I was stuck in the rain. I was stuck in the rain. I broke my favorite mug. I broke my favorite mug. I tore my notebook. I tore my notebook. I missed the school bus again. I missed the school bus again. I couldn't open my locker. I couldn't open my locker. I forgot my raincoat. I forgot my raincoat. I had a sore throat. I had a sore throat. I had a small accident. I had a small accident. I felt very sleepy in class. I felt very sleepy in class.